Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today's video I decided, am I even recording? I am recording, okay. I decided to film this makeup look for you guys. I am in love, so I hope you guys enjoy the tutorial. I did a full face today, except for my brows. Did the eye makeup on camera, complexion, lips, you name it. I tried out some new products today, which I'll list everything in the description box below. So if you guys want to see how I achieved today's look, definitely keep on watching. Alright you guys, so we are going to get started with this green smoky eye. I am going to do a glossy look with this eye look, but I didn't want to add that just yet. I'm going to do that towards the end. I'm going to take my Born This Way concealer, and I already carved out my brows, but I really didn't put a lot of that pigment to cancel out any discoloration on the eyelids, so that's what I'm going to do. But this is not going to be my eye primer. I'm actually going to be using another eye primer. I'm going to be trying out this new Hourglass eye primer. Of course, I did it on the other eye, so I'm just going to kind of talk through it. I'm just going to use just a very tiny little bit, and I'm going to place that all over. Now I will say this eye primer has a very tacky type feel, but what I like about that is it will help the pigment stick a little bit more. So this is the palette that I'm going to be using, like a magnetized palette from ColourPop, and look at those colors, they're so beautiful. This is the No Scrub Matte Shadow. So I'm going to pack that on. Now I am doing this before I put my base on, my foundation, since I am using highly pigmented shadows. But what I like to do here is lay my shadow down in the area that I want it to be placed, and then afterwards I'll go in and blend. I am going to softly buff and smoke out that color. So I am going to go in with this Las Hermanas Hank and Henry palette, and it has this beautiful green right here, and I am just sweeping that color all over the lid. And this is my Milk Makeup Waterproof Mascara. I've been using this recently. And I love to put mascara on prior to putting my lashes on. I just feel like it blends my natural lashes into my false lashes. So I'm taking these Lily lashes in caramel, and I am going to apply those. This Professional from Benefit, the original one. With this primer, I love to start from the inner and just smooth it out. If you work against this type of primer, it's going to catch and kind of create like some texturized parts. So taking my Anastasia Beverly Hills 355 Neutral Luminous Foundation, I'm going to do one pump of that. So I'm going to take an OG classic. This is the custard shade of the Radiant Creamy Concealer. And then taking that sponge, I am going to blend that all out. I feel like with the Radiant Creamy Concealer, you kind of have to work quick with it because it does dry down pretty quick. So taking my Hourglass Translucent Setting Powder, I'm going to go ahead in and just set my face. So I'm just setting those areas that I know I get oily. And taking my Hoola Caramel, so Caramel Lashes Caramel Bronzer. And I'm going to be taking this Hourglass double-sided brush that came in the PR package. I'm going to use the smaller side. I'm going to be taking my Laura Mercier Sangria blush. I'm just going to lightly tap into that. And I'm taking this Juno & Co. I don't know brush, but it looks like this. And I like to dip into that powder and set that nose area. That's a lot. I love this brush. It really, like, I use it for so many things. I use it for foundation application. I use it for what I just did, contour, setting powder. And I'm just taking the excess that's on the brush. I'm not dipping into any product. And I'm just going back in and just making sure everything is even. The only glossy thing I could find in my vanity was this Lime Crime Wet Cherry Gloss, and it's in the shade Extra Poppin', so it's clear. I'll scoop up that gloss. Oh my god, Lord help me. Ooh. 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 I love it. I'm happy I did it. Adds more dimension to the eye. Doesn't make it look so matte. Clearly, duh. So I'm going to take this KKW lip liner in Nude 1.5. So I'm going to take my MAC 235 Bosom Friend. Favorite lip combo. Just these two right now. And then I'm going to take my Anastasia Beverly Hills Pure Hollywood. So going in with my Il Makiage nude eyeliner, this is an Eskimo. I'm going to apply that to my waterline. And to finish off this whole look, I'm going to go in with the new Hourglass Soft Focus Setting Spray. Said to hold up to 24 hours. It creates a blurring effect, hydrating, radiant finish, vegan and cruelty free. So you guys can see how it added more of a glow to the face. It looks like I have highlighter on, but I really don't. All right, you guys, so that completes today's makeup tutorial. I am absolutely in love. I'm definitely going to be wearing this out and about whenever we can leave quarantine safely, but wow. But anyway, so I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. I will list everything in the description box below of the products that I used. And yeah, so if you guys are new to my channel, make sure you guys subscribe. My name is Amber, and I will see you guys in the next video. Bye guys.